Everyone, welcome to my channel Rare Desk. Today we are going to cover some tips and tricks related to Power BI report, which will help you to make your report looks better and more attractive. So for such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe my channel. And I hope you might have been click the bell icon for the latest video updates. So let's start with the video. So this video will be related to the enhancement, or you can say the way we can make our Power BI report looks attractive. So specifically I will cover the data card part. So everyone might have used the data card when they are making some reports. So data card usually we use is in this format. We use either in a rectangle or a square format, but we don't have any option to make it circular. So I will show you how we can do that. So let's take this example as, so we have created one data card over here, and when we will go into this in general setting, there is option under effects. So we do have visual border, and also we have rounded corners, but what this does is like it will make your corner rounded, but it doesn't give you the perfect round shape. So for that we have something else. Like what I will do is I will go in the insert, I will select a circle shape. I will give this circle, I will remove the background color. I will increase the border of the shape. What else I can do is I will remove the background color of this particular data card. So it will be perfectly fitting into our. So if you look this, it looks much better than this square or rectangle. You can like increase the border of this particular circle. It's up to you, like how you want to enhance it or make it more attractive. In similar manner, I will create some more visuals. So as of now I have arranged this in a particular format, and one more thing we can do is like, okay, I will give a border to it. Just look carefully what I'm doing. You can select the color whichever you want, and now just go to the format. Over here click on the send backward, just click on the drop down and send to back. What it will does is like it will place it in the back side, and this visuals will get in front of it. So now it is looking much better. So my color combination is not that good. You can do a better color combinations, and you can try to make the video look I mean the visual look much attractive. So this is it. If you guys have any questions and doubts, please comment below. Also, if you want any video on specific topic, you can comment below and I will try to make the next video on that particular topic. So for now, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please like and share as much as possible. Thank you.